Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Lekha and today I'll be sharing with you how to make mandala wall decor using cardboard. So without any further ado, let's get started. I have cut a cardboard in circular shape of radius 14 cm and marked the lines as shown. I'm then sketching a leaf-like design on a paper which I'll be using as a guide to cut the cardboard pieces in same size. I'm attaching the cutout pieces together to make it more thick and add more dimension to it. I'm going to cover the edges of the circular cardboard to give it a better look, so I'm mixing glue and water and I'll be using cutout pieces of tissue paper to cover the edges. In the similar way, I have covered the rest of the cardboard pieces also for the same reason. Now for the other design that I want on my cardboard, I'm folding a paper and measuring the length that I would prefer as the inner design of my mandala. Like I made the smaller leaf-like design, I'm gonna make this in the same way. I often order stuffs online, so there are lots of cardboard boxes in my house. So instead of throwing them away, I try to come up with ideas to recycle or upcycle them and share the process with you guys. Thanks to all of you who take your time to watch my videos and support my works. I'm really very thankful. Now, as shown, cut more cardboard pieces which should be a bit smaller than the previous one. You will get to know why you need to do that. You can surely just take the idea and make your own mandala with designs of your choice. I would love to see your works, so please share with me on my Instagram @myselfacharyya and make sure to tag me. Now it's time to paint all the cardboard pieces white so that when I add color on top of the white, it looks more vibrant. First, arrange the pieces as shown, then attach them with glue to get an idea of how you want to decorate your mandala. Now it's time to paint. Here you can see the difference between painting directly on cardboard and painting on a layer of white paint on cardboard. The painting on white looks more bright. My dear viewers, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Your support really motivates me to create more crafts for you guys. Now make a chain of beads like so to give more beauty to your mandala. I am using Fevikwik to attach the beads. You can also use hot glue or any other super glue. Now it's time to attach the mirror pieces. I'm then painting the smaller cardboard pieces and keeping them aside to dry completely. Here I have used Fevicryl 3D outliner to decorate a bit more. For this project, I wanted my design to be simple yet beautiful. Finally, I have attached the rest of the mirror pieces and our mandala is ready to make the wall on my house look a little more pretty. I hope you enjoyed the video and got some inspiration to create something best out of waste. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share with your crafty friends. Also, do let me know in the comment section if you have any queries or what your thoughts are on this project. See you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.